Planning to take the SAP Certified? Positioning SAP Business Suite via SAP Financial Management Solutions exam? Be careful. This isn't a memorization test anymore. The updated certification uses AI-driven role plays to evaluate how well you communicate the value of SAP Financial Management Solutions in real business conversations. In this video, you'll practice realistic exam scenarios, answer business-focused questions, and learn how to deliver consultant-level responses that match the exam's expectations. You'll need to demonstrate business value, address customer challenges, explain financial insights, and position SAP Financial Management within the SAP Business Suite portfolio. Here's what the exam feels like. An AI interviewer presents a business scenario, asks follow-up questions, and evaluates your response. Let's start. Scenario 1. Positioning SAP. Financial management to a CFO. You are meeting the CFO of a global manufacturing company. The company struggles with fragmented financial reporting, slow month-end closing, and limited visibility into financial performance. AI interviewer. Why should we consider SAP Financial Management Solutions instead of continuing with our current systems? Pause and think. Best response. I would focus on business outcomes rather than technology alone. SAP Financial Management Solutions help unify financial processes across the enterprise, improve visibility into business performance, and support faster, more accurate decision-making. Within SAP Business Suite, financial data becomes connected to operational data, allowing executives to understand not only what happened financially, but also why it happened. This creates stronger financial control, improved analytics, and better planning capabilities. AI cross. Question. Every vendor claims better visibility. What makes SAP different? Best response. SAP differentiates itself through integrated end-to-end business processes. Financial data is not isolated. It connects directly with procurement, supply chain, sales, and operational activities, enabling real-time insights across the organization. This allows leaders to make decisions based on a complete business picture rather than fragmented reports. Exam tip. In SAP performance-based exams, focus on business value, executive outcomes, and strategic benefits, not feature lists. Scenario 2. Positioning SAP Business AI for financial management. A prospective customer is evaluating AI investments. The finance director asks, how does SAP Business AI improve financial management processes? Best response. SAP Business AI enhances financial management by helping organizations automate routine activities, improve forecasting accuracy, identify anomalies, and support faster decision-making. The goal is not simply automation. The goal is enabling finance teams to focus on strategic activities while AI assists with repetitive and data-intensive tasks. AI cross. Question. Can AI generate measurable business value? Best response. Yes. Organizations can improve productivity, reduce manual effort, accelerate reporting cycles, and gain faster access to actionable insights. The value comes from embedding AI directly into business processes rather than treating AI as a separate tool. Exam tip. In SAP exam tasks, always connect AI capabilities to business outcomes and customer value propositions. If you're preparing for SAP scenario-based questions and realistic SAP exam simulations, consider practicing with additional role-play scenarios and mock assessments available on pass4success.com. The more business conversations you practice, the more confident you'll become on exam day. Scenario 3. Sustainability and financial management strategy. Business situation. A customer is under pressure from investors to improve sustainability reporting. The executive team asks, why should sustainability be part of our financial management strategy? Best response. Financial performance and sustainability performance are increasingly interconnected. SAP sustainability solutions help organizations collect, manage, and analyze sustainability-related information alongside financial data. This enables more informed decision-making, greater transparency, and stronger compliance with evolving reporting requirements. AI cross. Question. Why should finance teams care about sustainability data? Best response. Because investors, regulators, customers, and stakeholders increasingly evaluate organizations based on both financial and sustainability performance. Integrated reporting helps leaders assess risk, identify opportunities, and create long-term business value. Scenario 4. Rise with SAP. Transformation discussion. Business situation. A customer is planning a cloud transformation initiative. The CIO asks, how does SAP Financial Management support our move through Rise with SAP? Best response. Rise with SAP helps organizations modernize business operations and accelerate cloud transformation. SAP Financial Management solutions support this journey by providing integrated financial processes, enhanced visibility, and standardized capabilities that align with modern business requirements. The result is improved agility and a stronger foundation for future growth. AI cross-question. What business value should executives expect? Best response. Faster transformation, improved operational efficiency, better decision-making, and the ability to continuously innovate using integrated cloud-based business processes. Scenario 5. Competitive positioning. Conversation. The customer says, we're evaluating multiple vendors. Why should we choose SAP? Best response. The conversation should focus on business outcomes. SAP provides integrated business processes, embedded analytics, AI-enabled capabilities, sustainability integration, and a comprehensive business suite approach. Instead of solving isolated problems, SAP enables organizations to connect finance with broader business operations. This helps create consistent data, stronger governance, and more strategic decision-making. Today, you practiced 5 realistic SAP exam tasks. These are exactly the types of consultant-level decisions the new SAP AI role-play exam is designed to evaluate. Remember, the exam is not testing memorization. It's testing your ability to think, communicate, and position SAP solutions like a trusted advisor. Continue with our SAP certification playlist for more SAP hands-on practice, SAP exam simulations, and scenario-based questions. For additional SAP performance-based exam preparation, realistic AI role-plays, mock assessments, and practice scenarios, visit pass4success.com. Keep practicing, keep building real-world skills, and we'll see you in the next SAP certification training session.